Now this is for LTE architecture, long-term evolution. So we have too much of entities in this evolved packet core. This is EPC network in short form. And this is comprised of several functional entities. As we are aware of the terms with MME, this is basically MME, Mobility Management Entity, HSS, the home subscriber server. This is responsible for 4G in circuit switched 2G. It was same functionality was done by HLR. And this is the serving gateway, S gateway. This is P gateway, packet data network, PDN gateway. And this we all know, this is the PCRF, policy and charging rules function server. E node B is a part of radio access network. And the packet core network comes from MME, S gateway, P gateway, and all that, AAA, EPDG. EPDG is responsible for voice over Wi-Fi calling, where we have a connectivity issue. So coming back to this network diagram, this yellow part is the control plane, and the green part is the user plane. In user plane, we will send the data, and in control plane, we establish the session. Okay. Now, till then, any question? If you have any, team.
You said what are the HSS here? Is home
subscriber server.
Home subscriber server, right? Similarly, we have any VSS like or HSS contains the visitor location information also.
No. That was VLR. No.
No, that is a VLR still is same, right? We not changed.
No, the functionality of VLR will be responsibility driven by the MME only.
Okay.
Yes. The HLR.
Example, if I am India customer, okay, I travel to UK and I'm roaming there, okay. Then that information should be updated in the location aspect of location update. Should update back to our HLR, right? HLR in the sense it will be there in our HSS, right?
Yes, HSS. Yes, for LTE it is HSS.
Okay.
So it is the concatenation of HLR, home location register, and the AUC center, ops center was also there. Two functions were there, na? Authentication center and home location register, which we have seen in 2G and 3G, GSM and UMTS network.
Okay.
The HLR part of the HSS is, well, like it was responsible for charging, storing of updating any necessary database container, information of user subscription and all that. So,
and this, what are the protocol we followed? Is SS7?
Yeah. Protocol is diameter, and this is the interface. S1 MME is the interface.
Okay. Even from E node B to the serving gateway, the protocol is diameter only there also?
Yeah, diameter only. I will.
Okay.
This is the user plane, control plane. These are the interfaces, and these are the GTP interfaces.
Okay.
This
is the global title, right? GTP is the global title, right? It is what is that?
GPRS tunneling protocol. This is written. GTP tunneling protocol. Radio access for BTS. Same was transformed to node B, and E is nothing but evolved node B.
Okay.
Okay. So whenever the UE, the mobile handset has to attach to the E node B in RAN network, it will connect over the microwaves. Okay. And from E node B, a request will go to MME over S1 MME interface and to SGW for S1U interface. U stands for user plane. This is serving gateway. It is the termination point of packet data interface. when terminal any handset moves in RAN, it like SGW serves as a local mobility anchor, meaning the packets are routed from this point into the packet core network and to for the mobility. As serving gateway will give the IP to P gateway. Okay. For MME to MME, the handover or communication will go to S10 interface, S10. And when MME will ask HSS about the subscriber location, whatever we were asking in the 2G, 3G to HLR, it will ask on S6A interface, right? That is used for SDN technology.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our LTE core radio and core. So in LTE, radio network will also come in picture and core part will also come in picture. Core has two things, packet core and circuit core. Our 2G, 3G call were going on circuit switched network, but our this 4G is on packet switched network. Everything is IP based in packet core. Nothing is on circuit. And there is a concept of this SRVCC and CSFB as well. For example, I'm in a area right now. SFB. RVCC. Circuit switch fallback. For example, I'm in a network right now where any 4G network is not there, and I need to initiate a VoLTE call. So here, a circuit switch fallback, yes, circuit switch fallback is required to initiate a 4G call. It will go to 2G, 3G, whatever spectrum is supported by the operator. And any ongoing call, like I'm in a moving vehicle right now, and I'm going from a 4G network to a non-4G network like 2G, 3G, and how this call will be handled, it will go through SRVCC. This is SRVCC, single radio voice call continuity. See, voice call continuity. I'm on a established call with Shiva right now, and I'm moving in a vehicle. And for example, I'm in a 4G network, but after 200 meters, there is no 4G network, and I need to talk to Shiva on the call. So how this call will go to? This will go to CS network, circuit switch network in a legacy system. So this is SRVCC concept in packet core. And if I need to initiate a call, like establish a call where I am not having any 4G network, it will first go to fallback situation. Fallback means to legacy system, 2G, 3G, whatever network, whatever spectrum is provided by the Airtel, Jio, or whatever spectrum here. If not, there will be a ICR sharing from the network. Like for example, I'm in a hilly area and Airtel do not have any network in a hilly area on mountains, but he has any roaming ICR sharing with Jio or BSNL, for example, then fallback will go to Jio, whatever spectrum will be shared by the other operator. So in IMS, diameter do not work. Everything is on SIP protocol, session interrogation protocol in IMS. This is the IMS VoLTE architecture. Like this is LTE to VoLTE journey. I will share this slide, PPT. This is not QoS value we are discussing. So it has basically QCI. Any IMS call, it goes on the priority one, and QCI value is 5. This is for the default bearer connection. And for example, I'm browsing the internet right now. So it will go to QCI value 9. Like you have seen that in our handset, it has IPv4 and IPv6 both IP established in our mobile handset.
In data setting, right? In SIM
in our
settings.
handset setting. So basically, they work on dual bearer connection. Any like I have this Realme handphone in my hand right now. So it has dual bearer connection. So by default, there will be a dedicated default bearer connection. It will attach to QCI value 9 for Internet of Things. For example, I'm just browsing Facebook.com in my handset. It will have the value of QCI 9. But at the same time, I want to establish a VoLTE call to you. It will go to IMS signaling QCI value 5. This one, first one, priority 1. So because of this only, we are able to browse as well as talk over VoLTE network, right? Understand this?
Yeah. Previously, I remember this case. What now I correlate. Previously, what used to happen is like when some call comes right in 3G, then we're not able to browse the data. It is disconnected. What I remember is in our mobile. Now, as you explained this dual bearer.
Yes.
Then I think this only VoLTE it supports. Yeah.
Because of this dual bearer connection, we are able to browse on a ongoing VoLTE IMS call.
Okay.
This is the thing, because IMS call has the priority 1, and it has the 9 priority. Is that a least priority? LTE 9, QCI value 9.
Okay.
And GBR is guaranteed bit rate, and non-GBR is non-guaranteed bit rate.
I think now the VoLTE HD something they're telling, right? Maybe the guaranteed bit rate they give, it seems, right? The VoLTE HD calls, Airtel they can, right? HD calls.
HD calls are a high definition call. So they are giving on the first priority to the users.
Okay.
They have the first priority. And IPv4 and IPv6. IMS works on IPv6 basically, on hexadecimal wala IPv6, which we have na. IPv4 has 4 octet, 8 octet in all 4, and IPv6 has hexadecimal.